Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Claude API error. So first, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is slower, this could happen, so make sure that is not the case. Next, what you could do is, if you have been using Claude in your, let's say, Chrome browser, you're going to have to simply click on this three dot icon, scroll all the way below, then select Settings. Under Settings, from your left-hand side, select Privacy and Safety. Under Privacy and Safety, or Security, select this third-party cookies. Scroll below, select See All Site Data and Permissions. And likewise, you will see a search box. Here, type in Claude AI. You will see Claude AI right here. You're going to have to delete the cookies, data, and cache. So select the bin icon. It says you will be signed out of this site, including in open tabs. So if you have been saving your credentials, make sure that you also remember your credentials outside Chrome. Select Delete. Once you delete this, what you could do is, again, select Privacy and Security one more time. Scroll all the way below, select Extensions. If you see any extensions that you no longer need, you're going to have to remove them. So go ahead, remove them. And once you do so, lastly, you're going to have to set Chrome as your default browser. Select Default Browser and make sure Chrome is your default browser. Once everything is done, your problem will be fixed. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.